making some crunchy chicken taco bowls. Go ahead and grab your favorite low-carb tortilla and let's get started. First, grab you 1 pound ground chicken and throw that in a pan with some avocado oil or butter of your choice. Next, I added 3 tablespoons of Hot Rotel. Go ahead and add in your taco seasoning. Ingredients will be on the screen. I then added in some frozen bell peppers. If you have fresh, go ahead and use that. Next, I added 3 tablespoons of cream cheese along with some sour cream and mixed until smooth. Go ahead and set your oven to 400 degrees and we're cooking our tortillas for 15 minutes. I used 2 6-inch cake pans and this is how they turned out. They were so good. This is definitely a keeper. You will not believe this is a low-carb meal. Go ahead and add in the toppings of your choice. Stick around to hear the crunch. Thank you so much for all of your support and please follow for more.